Hi, welcome back to According to Kat. If you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments below. If you're returning, just say hi. If you would like to have more videos just like this one, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon. You will be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you could hit that like button if you find this video enjoyable, it will help my channel grow, as well as letting me know what kind of videos you want more of. So, what are we going to be making today?
Okay, today we're going to be making this window frame with some wreaths and a window box full of flowers. I find this to be very shabby chic as well as farmhouse. So if you want to learn how to make this, please stay tuned.
If you would like to know what supplies I've used, please check out the description box below. And without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to need are some frames. I got 4 of these frames from the Dollar Tree. I think they're 12 by 12. They are a frame that fits in multiple pictures. I just took out those little black metal things that hold the glass in. Check this out. So I'm undoing it and the glass just cracks and breaks. It is super sharp. Please be careful when handling any type of frames from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes the glass is quite thin. So I'm removing those metal things with my flat nose pliers. I am getting my Waverly chalk paint in white, which I get from Walmart, and I'm going to paint each of the frames with that chalk paint. I'll paint all 4 and then I'm going to go back and distress it. Right now I'm using my Fix All glue, which is kind of like an E6000. You get it from the Dollar Tree, so it's a good buy for $1. That holds it permanently. Then the hot glue will hold it instantly. So I put those together and I hold them for a bit. Keep them down. Okay, I'm pulling off any extra with my finger, and that seems to always do the trick. If not, I just go back in with a stick of some sort. Again, here we go again. I'm doing the Fix-All and the hot glue, putting them together. And for the last piece, the 4th frame, I'm putting that together as well. Now I see a little bit of glue there, and I'm just pulling it out with one of my skewers. Okay, so I am taking my coffee stirrers and I am going to reinforce those seams of all of the frames where they meet up. The reason I use these is they're thin, you won't see it through. I take my sanding block that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to distress the window. Don't forget to do your edges all around the sides. Oh my gosh, I'm so rough with it. All right, now it's time for wreaths and flower box. So I got 2 of these wreaths, the small version from the Dollar Tree. Those flowers, I cannot remember if I got them from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar Zone. Again, use any florals you might have. I used one whole bunch on each wreath. So I had one whole bunch for the one wreath and one whole bunch for the other wreath. So I'm basically just gluing on the flower heads, and then I'll go back with some leaves, and then I just keep going back and forth until I got, it how I would like. If you want more flowers on your wreaths, that's fine. If you want less, that's fine as well. It's all up to what you want in your decor. I feel like these colors and like the look of this project DIY is very shabby chic. I don't know why. I just feel it's more shabby chic than I do farmhouse. I don't know. Tell me in the comments below if you agree. This ribbon is from the Dollar Tree. I just liked the gold and the peach with that, I don't know. What is that? Would you call that raspberry color? It's like a darker raspberry. It's a little lighter in person, those flowers. I think it's coming up as darker in the video. I can't even cut this ribbon. Look at me. Maybe I need sharper scissors. All right, so I cut both sides and I am burning the edges so that it will not fray on me. I'm just wrapping the middle around to have a cleaner center. And now I'm going to attach it to the top of the wreath. All right, so I get out this burlap ribbon. I think I'm going to put it behind it, and then I realize, no, it's too thick for the small wreath. I do not like that, so I just glue on the small ribbon to the top. And I like the way that looks. Okay, so now I have another wreath, the grapevine wreath from the Dollar Tree, and I do the same exact thing. So, and I just kind of do it the opposite direction. So the flowers on the left on the one and the flowers are on the right on the other. And I am kind of measuring out to see if those are the same. I wanted the bows to be about the same size. I'm now gluing it on to the second wreath. All right, so this is the tin planter from the Dollar Tree. And again, I use those same flowers that I used in the wreaths. And I have this type of, I don't even know what I would call that. It is from Hobby Lobby, and it is $4.99, and I got it half off, so it was like $2.50. This is the floral foam that comes in the block from the Dollar Tree, and I just stick that right inside. I start cutting up, I think that is from the Dollar Zone now that I'm looking at it. Again, just use what you have. I am cutting up the flowers and I'm poking them right into that foam, and I realized it's a lot stronger than I thought, the wire I mean, so I needed some of my sharp pliers. They're not even pliers. What are those called? Wire cutters. Pliers. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I love these. It looks kind of like seaweed to me. Seaweed flowers. Let's call them that. If you know what they are, tell me, because I do not know. I do not know my names of flowers. Some, like the everyday flowers, I do know, but these I do not know, but I find them very pretty. It's kind of like, what would you call that color? Plum? Yes, plum. Let's go with plum. The plum seaweed. Okay, so I'm putting those in, kind of like spreading them out, using them as a backdrop. This is what the plum seaweed flowers were on. Do not throw that away. See, look, I'm showing with my finger. Do not throw that away. Use it as a wreath later on. It can be like a wreath form. The Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to put that as filler so you do not see the foam in the tin planter. My daughter's like, can I feel that? And then I tried to scare her. Oh, that's funny. I left that in there because I thought it was cute. All right, so now I'm just doing all the filler and basically just fluffing up my flowers, and this is the finished product. It's pretty. Okay, now it's construction time. So I am getting my twine that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm cutting it and attaching it to the wreaths so I can attach it to the window frame. I tried to make them pretty much the same height, and I tied those twine pieces onto the frame. I flip my frame over and I am going to glue the twine to the frame so that they stay in place. I do that for both wreaths. Now I'm cutting off the extra twine, and I am attaching the tin to the frame with some Fix-All glue and hot glue. I use a lot to keep it in place, so I want it to stay very solid. This is the over-the-door hooks. It is the larger version of it from the Dollar Tree. I'm using this as a planter. I use the Fix-All glue as well as the hot glue. Again, I use a lot of it and I hold it in place for a long time. I even take some duct tape to reinforce it. I do not have footage of it, but I also glued the bottom of the, what I'm calling the planter box. So the hooks I glued to the bottom of the tin. And here is the reveal. I think this is so pretty. You could put it anywhere in your house. It would even look cute in a bathroom. I would put it in a living room or maybe in an entryway, in a basement, like a finished basement. I just love the colors of it. It's very, like I said, shabby chic. I just like how it looks like a planter box on the bottom. I think that's what makes it kind of different. If you know anyone that would like to make something like this, please share this video with them. If you liked what you saw, please hit that like button. It really helps me and my channel grow. And remember, please subscribe if you want more videos just like this one. I plan on uploading at least 2 videos to 3 videos a week, especially in the summer. And please check out any of my other videos. I will link them right around here somewhere, so check those out as well. Thank you so much for all your support and your encouragement. I think you guys are awesome. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.